Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will talk about Card, a simple and easy one-page website builder. If you want to make a website fast and without coding, this video is for you. Also check the description below this video. You will find more details and some helpful links there. Maybe you will get some discount or offer there too. Card is a website where you can make one-page website. That means everything stays on one single page. It's great for portfolios, resumes, personal pages, or even simple landing pages. The best part is it's very easy to use. Even if you are a beginner, you can make a nice website in just 10 to 20 minutes. Card has many templates. You just choose a template and edit the text, images, and colors. No need to write any codes. You can also drag and drop, just move things with your mouse. That makes everything super simple. Card has free version. You can build a nice website for free. But if you want more features like using your custom domain or removing made with card this watermark, then you can go with pro version. It's very cheap, around $9 to $19 per year. That's cheaper than most other website builders. If you are a student, a freelancer, or just want a simple personal site, Card is a great choice. It's fast, it's light, and it works on phone and computer as well. So you don't need any tech skill to start. So that's my short review of Card. I think it's one of the best tools to build a simple one-page website. If you like this video, give it a like and maybe subscribe for more simple reviews. And don't forget to check the description below for more information and helpful links. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.